again, it's Kat from Creative Crafts, and I'm glad to see you again. And if it's your first time, welcome, and I hope you enjoy my videos. I'm not a professional at it yet. I'm trying. Today, what you see here is a pair of shoes. They used to be white, and I spray painted them blue. Well, actually, it's petrol. It's for a costume that I'm going to be putting on the weekend, because I'm going to Star Trek, to the convention they have here in Dortmund. So I can't wait. 2 full days. Oh, I'm going to have tons of pictures. If you are following me on Instagram or Pinterest or Twitter, I'll be posting tons and tons of pictures. Also Facebook. I have the links on this video, I promise, and you'll see it. Just keep watching the video. So, like I said, what I did, I spray painted these, and I think it looks awesome. They're a little bit tacky because I put like a extra spray to protect it from rain, even though it's waterproof, the spray that I used. First, I put tape, a good tape all around it. I have some marks here. I can just remove it with nail polish remover. Use a Q-tip or a very thin toothpick with some toilet paper on it. You can use a carving knife. Just be careful, it's sharp. And just scrape it off if you can. And like I said, put tape all around it. And then inside, put tape all the way inside, all in here. Make sure it stays within these quarters. Don't let it hang over. Make sure it's like this, because you need to make sure you get the top of here too when you spray. Alright? And then when you're done, just spray it. Like I said in my other tutorials, how you spray paint. Shake it, right? It needs to be at least 1 minute. Shake it for like 1 minute. Make sure the paint is very well shaken, stirred, shaken, whatever you want to call it. And take the spray paint and then you spray like this. Don't spray too close and don't spray like this all in one place, because it's going to make a glop and it's going to leak down and it's not going to look nice. If you want it to look like a professional work, like I think this looks great. These look like they're supposed to be like that, which is awesome. Spray paint all around until you get all the areas. I had a newspaper, so I turned it around and sprayed all the sides that I could, make sure there was nothing missing. And like a little suggestion, make sure you use good spray paint, not a cheap one, because cheap ones, they don't work as well as the expensive ones. If you get a good expensive spray paint and it says it's waterproof, and it dries fast, and it holds well, it does. It's actually very good quality, and you're not going to need to you only need 1 coat of paint with this. Only 1. That's all I did. I used 1 spray, and that's it. And that's what I'm talking about. Cheap spray paint, you need to spray several times, and if you put too many coats on the shoes, it's not going to look nice. Like I said, it's going to look like there's glop all over it. So, that is one big tip. Buy a good spray paint. And then when I was done, I took everything off. Then I noticed I had some areas that when I spray painted, didn't come out too well. Like you can see it here. No problem. Take the spray paint, spray a little glob on the newspaper or on the cardboard. Take a tiny little paintbrush and then paint it. I mean, it doesn't look so bad. And I just painted it in areas where I thought, okay, there's too much white. I don't want no one to see that it was white. And let it sit. And then I sprayed a clear coat of varnish or protect coating over it. It's still tacky, so I don't want to touch it too much. I think it looks great. And like I said, when you're done, you can just take 2 Q-tips or a little knife and clean it all up, and then here you go, a pair of brand new shoes, something that matches with something you're wearing or for the summer. It's a good summer color, and that's it. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome guys, glad to see you again. And if you're new here, well, welcome. And if you would love to subscribe, press the button below. And also that little bell on the side, press that if you would like to know any kind of new coming videos coming up. And I'm glad you guys were here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this really quick tutorial on how to fix an old pair of shoes into new. And I'll see you again. Bye bye.